How to add a stop on Uber. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add a stop on Uber. Well, adding a stop on Uber is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up Uber. Now unfortunately I don't have Uber available in my region, but I'll just be guiding you through and I'll be able to show it to you. Now you'll get an interface like this once you open up Uber, log into your account, right? Simply head over to the right section where you choose a ride. In my case, you can see there enter a pickup point option there. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, now you can see you'll get the pickup point. You'll set your pickup point by your location by default, right? And you can see where to option. Now I'll just set my pickup point here, set location on map. Now at the right hand side, beside your pickup location and destination, you'll find the plus icon. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see you'll get the option to add a stop. You can tap on add a stop. Now you can search in for a particular location, or you can tap on set location on map and you can set it on the map again here. Tap on done, and similarly tap another stop. If you want multiple stops, you can add it from here as well, and if you don't want multiple stops after using one stop, you can tap on done. So this is the way now that you can add a stop on Uber. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.